This is John Beath with SquidLures.com, and I'm out here in Canada. We're going to show you how to safely deploy your anchor from the stern of the boat. What we've got here is we've got a line that goes from a cleat on the stern, and it goes all the way up to the bow where the trailer hooks on to the eye there. And this rope here, we've got a ring, and we're just going to deploy our anchor, and we'll show you how that works. It's nice to have a bucket that you can hold everything in. We've got this 8-gallon bucket from the feed store. With this system, we deploy all of our anchor line, and it's connected to 50 feet of floating line, and there's a little buoy at the end of that. And here is our anchor puller. Unlike the ring, this thing works quite nicely. As you pull, it comes freely through the device, and if you stop, then it locks it up, and it'll hold your anchor and chain. Really handy if you've got other boats around and you've got to stop, or if there's a log or something. So we clip it on here. There's our anchor line. Drop that overboard. There's our floating line connected. There's our little buoy at the end. And the reason we've got this buoy is if we have to disconnect, then that'll float up our clip and our ring. So we've got a quick disconnect right here. So we disconnect that and we're off the anchor. And then we can come back and pick up our anchor, or if it got too rough, a storm came in, we could safely deploy that anchor. And this is just going to slide all the way up to the bow. Takes a few minutes, but it'll slide all the way up to the bow, and then we're all anchored up properly. All right, now it's ready to pull the line in. And on these buckets, you can clip it right on there. Makes it nice. Something else you can do with your regular anchor line, this is our yellow floating line. You can take red spray paint and mark your line. 1 mark for 100 feet, 2 marks for 200, etc. And then you always know how much line you have out and how much more to bring in. Oops. And now we're safely in the back of the boat. Here comes the marks.
100.
There's 4 marks.
400 feet to go. $50 foot. Okay.